In this video, we're exploring a popular Git branching model called Git Flow, a strategy that helps developers manage code efficiently from feature development to production deployment. The main branch is the foundation of your app. It's the version users interact with. But we don't make changes here directly. Instead, we create a separate develop branch where all new features and updates begin. From develop, each developer creates their own feature branch. They make changes, test their feature, and when it's ready, they merge it back into develop. So now develop has all the new features. When we're getting ready to release something, like version 1.0, we create a release branch from develop. This is where we do final polishing, small fixes, and testing. Once everything looks good, the release branch is merged into main, and we tag it with a version like v1.0. This version is now live in production, meaning real users can see and use it. But we don't stop there. We also merge the same release branch back into develop, so any last-minute fixes are included in future development. Now let's say we discover a bug in production. We don't want to wait for the next full release. So we create a hotfix branch directly from main, fix the problem, and then merge the hotfix back into both main and develop. We tag this new version, like v1.0.1, and the fix goes live immediately. This is the full Git Flow strategy. It keeps your code organized, stable, and production ready, even as your team moves fast. And that's how Git branching helps teams work together without stepping on each other's toes, and keeps your production code safe and stable. If this video helped, hit like, maybe subscribe for more beginner-friendly coding tips.